Guys, so we're in Tulum right now, and look, there's a lick climbing up on the tree. Can you guys see it?
Look, they're stopping to do whatever, and then nobody's crashing. Exactly my point. What do you guys think?
It looks like a iguana.
There's a lizard on the tree. Where?
Right there.
Yummy. Does he want some water?
No, he doesn't want your nasty water.
Running on this is so good.
Yeah, and we're going to see some ruins, and I heard we're going to pet some turtles and some like other animal, which I'm not sure, and I'll see you guys once
I told you to get the treat.
we are at.
No, you did not. I told you a specific way, and you don't fucking listen. I got the treat. No.
They're arguing about pictures.
That's not what I asked you. That's not what I fucking asked you. You don't fucking care unless it's your shit. No, I'm not.
We arrived at this entrance path, and we're gonna go inside. Oh my god, I wasn't filming. This is the ruins, guys. The ruins. Oh my god, look. They're fighting. This is good for my YouTube. Don't mess with iguanas. The one biting you're dead because they have a bunch of bacteria. Uh-oh. Right here.
They're fighting, mommy. See?
Oh, they're fighting over that female right there.
Any more? They're so big. Where? Oh my god, this is more lizards. There's lizards like this everywhere, and they like go so small to like the ones you just saw, like huge and big. Look, it's supposed to look like that. Here's some facts. Here's like all the ruins. Like we're literally right next to the ocean. Like we're probably like right here. Like right here.
You can't go past the ropes. That one's eating.
Look. It's eating grass. Okay guys, so we have to watch out where we walk because there's a bunch of bugs that I don't know. And I don't deal with bugs because bugs, they're just scary when they bite you. And I'm not trying to die at this trip, so we're just have to just like lay back. But we're really close to the ocean. Look out, there's more. You see there's these big ones right there. What do you think about the rocks?
Like not even the rocks are nice, but like the grass itself is nice. Like all of this, like show them that. It's really nice.
Yeah. And
Like the palm trees kind of remind me of.
Yeah, we're not in California, so we don't think about that. Look, y'all guys could pause and read. Look guys, look at all those big ruins. Literally, the Mayans, they look super nice, nicer than me, richer than me, smarter than me, greater than me, everything greater. Like, look at this. Super nice, and we're literally right next to the ocean, right mommy? What do you like about it?
I love it that it's nice and fresh.
You could walk through these, but you cannot go past the rope. Look, you can see like iguanas everywhere. I'm not gonna get super near them. Just because if a iguana bites you, they have bacteria in their mouth, and you could possibility die by a iguana bite. Because on YouTube on facts about iguanas, and iguanas are not something you want to mess with.
You may get bitten by one, but you're not gonna die.
Well, I like to think that.
Well, you like to think.
Look, to climb up there, but I don't think we can. You see, like, the stairs right there? I don't think we can. Would you like to climb up there, Mandy?
No.
Don't mess with iguanas, like I told you guys. Iguanas are big no-no. Look at these huts and stuff. Look, you guys could see handprints on there. Got this one, super cool. Look, guys, you guys could see like little carved stuff inside there. And look. You guys could see. There's more. Like a rock garden. Look at those facts. Well, oh my God, there's another iguana right there. There we go. Oh my God, like, do you guys see that iguana running? There's another ruined. There's another one. Do you guys see it? Right there. Look, right here is a pathway to the beach. This is where probably the Mayans went fishing, probably used the toilet. Look, there's more facts. Right there, look. They went boating and stuff. There's some more facts. There's turtles. Do you guys see that? Turtles, and I'm gonna walk to the beach. Alright guys, what path should we go? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger, go by a tail. If you holler, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We're going this way, guys. We got this nice, cute path. Super cute.
He's walking with different stops.
We look at these nice plants. Let's walk. This is kind of scary. I don't want to fall and break my leg. Let's keep on walking. Ooh, guys, look at the ocean. Let me show you guys the ocean. Super cool. Look at the ocean, guys. The tour guide lady that I heard said that this is the highest point in Tulum. Ooh, super nice, but that's a lot of seaweed. That's very unpleasant to swim in. Look at that, super cool. Now we're gonna look at some. I'm gonna walk up this staircase right there, and I don't know where it leads to, so we're gonna find out. There's another ruined place. Ooh, look at that house right there. Here are some facts. Look right there. More. There's another list. You guys see it? We're gonna stay away from that. I don't want to get bitten. Super cool. The thing they need to fix is these stairs. Wonky as heck. Let's go. Ocean view. Another view, guys. That's so cool. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God. Do you guys see that bird? Kind of looks like a bat. Look at that. Super cool. This is a whole view. Oh my gosh, so zoomed in. Look. Right there. Perfect. So guys, there's an entrance we're going to go through. Let's go. There's holes everywhere. Tell it's really worn out. Ooh, super cool. Reminds me of Caveman. There you guys go. Those bugs are super annoying. The bugs over here, they're like super annoying. Like, what do they do? Really long stairs. This looks like this was a pathway from the Mayans. There you go, some trees. A wall. You guys see that brick wall? Super cool. Look at that. Super long stairs. Like, my calf's already aching. Okay, guys, so now this is back where we came from. Now we have to go back to the hole. Let's go back to the entrance. So I made it back on the tallest cliff here, and look at that. The ocean. Look at that ocean, guys. Hey guys, so look at this beautiful view. Pyramid Temple. Look at it, super cool. So we moved on here. These are historical things. Pause and read. There we are. I think it's gonna rain, I hope not. Look.
It's sprinkling.
It's sprinkling.
That's the exit. That's something else.
So hot.
My hairy armpit. Girl.
Who cares?
I care.
No one's not gonna say, ooh, look, she has big fat hairy armpits.
My hairy armpits is for me not to get razor burns. Hold this.
Oh my god, something's crawling. We're going to swim with turtles, but I have no bathing suit. My mom said just to go swim. My 20s are see-through if I go in the water. We're walking up this long path. This super long path. Like iguanas. Literally the
Iguanas?
There are
Iguanas.
iguanas. When we went to the Lucha Libre, there was a dude that was like a iguana. And he was like the iguana.
Iguana.
Yeah.
Fucking.
Finally made it, and it's windy.
And I need to pee.
Like really bad. There we go, look at that. Actually feels pretty good. Look guys, there's a helicopter. And we're at the ocean. And look, there's a cat. I'm gonna try to get more video. It's super cute. I hope I can show. Oh, it's so cute. Let's just leave it alone. Bye, kitty cat. Bye, little kitty kitty. It's so nice and cute. Let me pet it. I hope somebody, I hope it's somebody's owner.
Oh, he eats.
He eats, and he doesn't get eaten by the animals out here. Right? Especially the iguanas.
They look. Dude, look how frizzy my hair is. Thank you.
It's sweaty.
Girl, I know. Show them your shoulders.
Literally,
It's really
like showing the back.
literally. I don't think they can tell, but it's hot as hell.
They're sweaty and nasty.
I look like a damn clown.
Yeah, and people left their trash out.
Yeah, stupid ass people. They don't know how to take care of the fucking shit. So nobody fucking likes them.
Hey guys, so we're at MPH room with Turtles and Duck, and here's the beach. They say we're gonna swim with them, but I didn't bring my bathing suit, which I guess I have to put my clothes. I'm not really happy about it, but let's all suck it up and do it. And we're gonna go on a boat to go on it, but I really need to use the restroom, and I'm gonna go to the restroom. So yeah, and I guess you guys once we're on the boat on our way over there.
Muy bien.
Aquí tenemos 3 templos, los más importantes.
So we just left the place where we are. We left the rooms and the beach, and currently we're at a restaurant eating. So I'll see you guys once the food comes. Guys, so my food arrived. I got my horchata. Good. And then I got chicken wings. Lily got, Mandy got, Jacko got shrimp, and then he got chicken. He's still waiting, and my mom's got it. Okay, first we're gonna try the cucumbers. Stick it in my hand. I'm gonna try chocolate. The meat is so good and tender. We're gonna try a chicken wing. We're gonna have a chicken ring and ranch. It's probably super hot. Okay guys, so we're gonna try a different sauce. Right here. Hope it's not spicy. Okay guys, so we're gonna try the third sauce. We're gonna put a little bit. Let me try. It's not too spicy. It's good, it tastes like honey barbecue.
The last turn we took in the inglés.
Vamos a ver, ¿cuánto es el vaso de rambutan?
El vaso de rambutan está en 60 pesos.
Dame 4 vasos.
¿4 vasos?
Y sí, y la mitad.
Sí.
¿Cuál es o qué es?
A mis hijos les gusta esta fruta.
¿Qué es eso?
Es como, ¿cómo se llama? Passion fruit. Passion fruit. No, no, no es passion fruit. Son los de estos que te, que son peluditos.
Some guy was looking at me when we were leaving the restaurant because I have like a bikini on. And motherfuckers can't keep this shit in their pants. Like, the fuck are you looking at me for? You're ugly. Like, you're ugly if you think you can get with me. Like, I'm literally top tier. What are you? Trash. Huh, breezies.
Yeah.
Don't be looking at me. Don't be looking at my mom. Don't be looking at my dad. And don't be looking at my primos.
Yeah, and that's on period.
And it's on period.
And then while we're walking to the ruins, some old, but with the man with the big fat pot belly
Oh my
started
god,
looking
he
at
let
her
my
chin.
toes.
Her toes? Her toes.
No, he was so ugly. And he had ugly feet. Really ugly feet. I don't know why people who have ugly feet wear chanclas. Like, go get a pedicure. I don't care if you're a guy. Your shit is ugly. Go spend $50 for them to scrub your nasty ass toe jam out of your damn feet.
Hey guys, so we're eating this.
Yeah, first I put one up. Good.
Oh, you do that live mode. Oh, this one's like...
Lili, ¿quieres probar uno?
Sí, uno nomás.
Oiga, ¿estos están maduritos? Sí. Muy bien.
Get it what you're doing.
This is mommy.
So long. It's like have a coconut,
No podía creer que lo aventó al suelo.
right?
¿Te gusta? ¿Quieres comprar uno tú?
No.
¿No?
Mi dinero está atrás.
So juicy too. We're watching Spider-Man, right? We're watching Spider-Man, right? And there's literally heavy thunder and lightning.
Very, 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 very scary.
Like at night.
No, like, it just happened, like, a really big one right now.
Yeah, and this happens often. Like, I'm gonna try to get a clip for you guys. I'm gonna try to get a clip for you guys. Oh my god, how do you turn this up?
From the bottom.
Do you guys see that? I can't open it. I wanna
Hold this.
do you like but look, like you could feel, look, I don't know if you- oh my god. Look, you could feel the water, like the water's going through the screen.
No, duh.
That's how heavy the rain is. Like,
I'm gonna go back.